Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change the username of a user on your Macintosh computer. Specifically, this is Mac OS Sierra 10.12, and I just wanted to make a brief tutorial just showing you guys how to do it. Should work other versions of Mac as well, but it just happens to be the version I'm on right now. So we're going to start by going up to the Apple icon in the top left corner, and you want to left click on it. Then you want to left click on the System Preferences button, second one from the top. Now that we are in System Preferences, we want to hit on the Users and Groups button at the bottom left. So with the left mouse clicker. Now you want to make sure you are using an administrative account in order to do this. So we have other accounts on this computer, or if we want to change our own, it doesn't really matter so much. In the case of this tutorial, so let's just say I want to change my current username. All I have to do is just left click on the padlock button at the bottom left here. That will allow us to make changes. I'm going to have to type in our password here. So now I'm going to right click on the account, or at least my account that I'm trying to change, and then I'm going to left click on Advanced Options. So at this point, underneath full name, you can change this to whatever you want. So let's just call this my computer or whatever, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to click on OK. You see our computer name or computer username has changed to my computer. It was test machine as of a couple of seconds ago. So just if you guys didn't believe me, so just take note of that. It's going to be very important when you're signing into your computer. You need to know what account you're logging into. Once you're done doing that, you want to click on the padlock again to save the changes, and you should be good to go. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.